Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here. So I'm just sharing my screen right now because I wanted to show you guys. I was just talking about Norwex and why I love the product so much, and I had come across this video actually where she has been a Norwex consultant for a while. Actually, I'm not sure how long, but she was actually showing us where she's going to rub raw chicken on her stove, and she's using the Lysol wipes to clean it up first, and it doesn't actually clean it completely. And then she uses Norwex, the Enviro cloth. After that, I believe it's the Enviro cloth. It could be the kitchen cloth. I'll double check. I just want to see if she says it in the description here. No, I don't think so, but I'll check with that. But and it actually cleans it up completely. So if that doesn't sell you on Norwex, I don't know what will. This is natural cleaning that actually cleans. You know, there are a lot of products out there that are natural cleaners, but if you read the label, they're actually not that natural. But with Norwex, it's as natural as possible because you use a cloth that's antibacterial, you add water, and that's it. So I just kind of want to show you guys some highlights of the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn the sound on and I'm going to show you guys. Many of us have been trained to believe that we need some sort of chemical cleaner to truly clean our home. There, it's kind of quiet, isn't it? But that's okay. You don't really need to hear the sound anyway. Actually, here, I'll turn the sound off. I just want to show you guys what she's doing here. So she's reading the label of the Lysol wipes. Hold on, I'm just kind of fast forwarding it for you guys here. So here's the raw chicken that she's literally like rubbing on. There we go. So I'm going to take a swab. I purchased these from a inspection tool company. And this is a test that she actually does to show you how dirty the stove is. So check this out. The way it works is green is clean, the darker purple it is dirty. So obviously that's pretty dirty because that's a dark purple. And then I'll show you guys. So then she takes the wipes. And I think that's a really good idea because I don't want to be absorbing cleaning chemicals into my body's large organs like skin, right? There we go. All right, so we're going to take our... Okay, guys, so check it out. So it looks clean, doesn't it? Like if you guys look, it looks clean to me. I probably stopped using the Lysol wipes for years. I think I first heard of Norwex like 3 years ago, and ever since then, I have not used those wipes. Now remember with Norwex, we mechanically clean, not chemically clean. So be sure to fold, not scrunch, so you have complete contact with the surface. So all she's using is the Enviro cloth with some water. That's it. So she's doing the other half of the stove, and the first half of the stove here, she used the Lysol wipes. And actually, sorry, I shouldn't be calling the company out. I don't know if they're Lysol wipes, but they're just basically a disinfecting wipe. So here's that stick again, you guys. Check that out. So she's shaking it, shaking it. Look at that. And look how it's still purple, you guys. Isn't that crazy? So it's not actually clean. And now she's doing the Norwex side. Like, I want to do this in my own house just to show people, because that pretty much sells itself, doesn't it? So see, you guys, it's clean. Purple and gray is dirty and green is clean. Look. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So sorry, I'll push pause here. But if you guys would like to see the rest of that, I'm going to copy the link for you guys because this just really, I think, is crazy, eh? Like, that's just nuts. And as you guys know, I do sell EPICURE. I do the cooking classes in my kitchen, so like cleaning and cooking kind of go hand in hand. So check that out, you guys. It's crazy. I'll leave the link though for you guys so you can see this on the bottom too. Yeah, so she is using the Enviro cloth. I will leave the link for you guys if you want to purchase that. I have Norwex a little bit of everything, honestly, but a good first step is to definitely purchase the Enviro cloth, because you can use it for your kitchen, like living room, laundry room, bathroom, everything, because it's the best-selling antibacterial cloth that they have. Somebody was asking me what she has here. These are the kitchen cloths that they have, and this is the same thing as the Enviro cloth, but just a little bit thicker, and they're used for, instead of using paper towel, because paper towels, obviously you use them once, you have to throw them out, but that's a lot of waste, right? Like that's a lot of waste. But with these ones, you can use them over and over and over again, wash them, and that's it. So it's really, and they are antibacterial also. Paper towels are not. But yeah, so check this out. I'm going to stop the video. I'll leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.